Today I am going to tell you few important tips about what we need to look in terms of getting income from the company before buying the stock. The first one is the asset and liability. When it comes to company asset and liability, the year over year and the quarter over quarter increasing asset and decreasing the liability is a good sign for company's growth, which tells us the company is growing its asset value every year and paying off its debts. The second one is the dividend. The dividend yield refers to a stock's annual dividend payments to shareholders expressed as a percentage of the stock's current price. For an example, Microsoft pays an annual dividend of $1.44 and the stock trades for $151 as of this writing. The third one is the payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio shows whether the dividend payment made by the company makes sense based on their earnings. If the number is too high, it may be a sign that too small a percentage of the company's profit are being reinvested for future operations. This casts doubt on the company's ability to maintain high dividend payments. The fourth one is the PE ratio. The PE ratio, that is the price to earnings ratio, which means how much investors are willing to pay per dollar of earnings. It helps the investor to determine the market value of a stock as compared to the company's earnings. You can see more details about the PE ratio in the below description. The fifth one is earnings per share. The earnings per share is a measure of how much profit a company has generated. Companies usually report their earnings per share on a quarterly or yearly basis. A high EPS indicates that the company is more profitable and has more profit to distribute to shareholders. Higher earnings per share is always better than a lower ratio because this means the company is more profitable and the company has more profit to distribute to its shareholders. Apart from these analyses, to get the overall idea of the company's performance, as an investor, you need to check the earnings history, dividend history, the book value history. Thank you for watching. If you find this video is useful for you, leave us your comment or feedback, and if you want to watch more video from us, hit the subscribe button.